good, you ladies? This is Prachi and you're watching me on Styler Beauty, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to wax your eyebrows. So earlier I uploaded a video regarding eyebrow threading, but I got many DMs regarding it's not so convenient and user friendly. Also it requires lots and lots of practice. So I came up with a new solution, that is waxing, and it's more easy, simple and user friendly. So watch till end and you guys gonna love it. Okay, so we start with shaping our brows, and for this I'm using a Nika brow pencil and it's brow on point. You can see this and you can buy this from Nika, and just start by figuring out the extra hairs and extra strands. So I am just doing that. As you can see, my eyebrows are all grown up. So now since I have figured out the extra hairs, so it's time to cut it off, and I'm using a scissor and it's my favorite part, so let's do it. Make sure that you don't cut the longer hairs because it might look pokey and all, so just keep it short and keep it precise. So now let's move to the next step. Okay, so now it's time for waxing, and for this I'm using Veet Wax Strips, and it is in the aloe vera and lotus flower fragrance, and it is for dry skin. As you can see, I'm using this. All those small pieces of my wax strips, so now I will show you how to do it. And yeah, so we have 2 strips and we have to apply it on our eyebrows, and do it very carefully because you know एक भी कदम अगर खराब हुआ तो सब गया. And let me show you how to do it. See, and just stretch it off. I'm going to reuse it, and in the same way just place it, and you can see now you can see the hairs are coming out, and this is it. I hope you are able to see this, the difference between both the eyebrows. See, my eyebrows are now in shape, and I have already done with the waxing part. So now it's time to clean those residues of waxes. So I'm using this wet wipe. You can use anything, any cloth or any cotton or anything to just clean it off. And now it's time to do the next eyebrow. So now I'm done with the waxing part, and it's time to moisturize your eyebrows, and I'm using the aloe vera gel. And in my previous video also I have used this gel only because it's so cooling and soothing effect. So let me show you my aloe vera gel. It's from St. Divins, and this is all-purpose gel. And now we are done. So have you watched my video? If yes, then please hit the like button because it really motivates me to create such an amazing content. Until then, stay safe, stay tuned, bye, take care.